This section is on simple interest. The amount of money you initially deposit into a bank is called the principal. And this principal is also your pal. And the bank pays you interest. When you take out a loan, you pay interest on the amount you borrow, also called the principal. In either case, the interest is computed as a certain percent of the principal, called the rate of interest. So our formula is I is equal to P times R times T. So the interest is equal to the principal times the rate as a decimal times the time in years. Casey deposited $1,650 in a bank account with an interest rate of 3%. How much simple interest was earned in 2 years? Round to the nearest cent. So the first thing that I like to do is write down my information. So I know my principal is $1,650 because that's how much Casey initially deposited. I know my rate is 0.03 and my time is 2. And I'm looking for the interest. So I is equal to 1,650 times 0.03 times 2. And this is equal to $99. So Casey earns $99 in interest from depositing this $1,650.